default choice of a miniOS Ultra mouse cursor is really minimal. So I thought that today, I will do is go through steps to install a mouse cursor. So the first thing I would suggest is go to this site, and then we'll pick Oreo cursors. So let's just go to the site here. So under the cursors and under the rating, Oreo cursor is rated pretty high. So we'll just go ahead and click, and then go to download, and then you have many choices, red cursor, and see what that looks like. So we'll just go ahead and click, and then wait 5 seconds and download, and it's downloaded already. So we'll go ahead and go to the file, tunar, and here is so we'll go to the downloads, and here is the cursors. So we'll go ahead and open with a archive manager, and then extract, and then we're going to extract to the same folder and close. It's already extracted, and here it is. Let me just go ahead and delete everything else, make it less complicated here. So here is the cursor. So the next thing what we need to do is we need to make a so we'll open up a terminal, and we'll just go ahead and make directory icons, dot icons, and then Control Shift the V in my case, and then it's created. So we'll go back to we'll grab this here and cut, and then we'll go to the live, and under dot icons, which has been created now. So we're at and then we'll just go ahead and paste into the folder. So if you look at the dot icons a folder, there is the files that we just downloaded. Now next thing is that we just simply need to go ahead and install it. So we'll go to mouse and touchpad, and go to the themes, and there is Oreo Spark Red cursors, which we just installed. And then size is 50. We'll just go make a little 40. Looks good to me. And that's how you create a new mouse cursor.